What's for supper? A lovely Mongolian beef stir fry served with jasmine rice. One of my absolute favorites that we're going to do today. What ingredients do you need to make this Mongolian beef stir fry? So rum. So what I have here is just rum cut in cubes. Fresh coriander, some spring onions, toasted sesame seeds, a little bit of brown sugar, fresh garlic. And then for our oils, we've got Willow Creek's jalapeno oil for a little bit of spiciness that you can add in the dish, sesame oil, fish sauce, soy sauce, Parma chicken stock for the salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then in here, just to coat the meat, we've got half rice flour and half corn flour. What you do now is you take your rum, you put it into the flour, the corn flour and rice flour. You coat it well. You can use your hands as well. Coat it, and then we're going to fry it. So in the pan, we've got a little bit of vegetable oil. And now just put your meat pieces into the hot oil and fry until golden brown. Because it's rum, it will go very quick. 30 seconds on each side, done. We're going to drain it, and then we're going to finish the dish. After you've slightly fried the rum in the hot oil, you just take it out of the pan and drain it on paper towel. Okay, now to finish our dish, all you do is, in a warm pan, we're going to put a little bit of Willow Creek chili oil, jalapeno oil, heat that up, and we're going to fry our spring onions. Then add our garlic. So now you're going to fry your spring onions. Add garlic. And ginger. So now you can add your rum. Give it a nice stir. Fry for about 2 minutes. And now we're going to add all the good stuff. First up, just a teaspoon of fish sauce. Some soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Your sesame seeds, brown sugar, give it that nice caramelized flavor. Then we're just going to add 1 teaspoon of Parma chicken stock, a little bit of water so that we can thicken the sauce. Just continue to stir, to prevent burning. Now you can see very quickly the sauce is starting to thicken. You add some sesame oil. Amazing flavor, the sesame oil. Half of your coriander can go in. And you do this for another 2 minutes and the dish is done. Exactly the same recipe you can do with pork or chicken as well. Just serve up your amazing Mongolian beef stir fry on jasmine rice. We finish it off with some lime wedges and fresh coriander. For the recipe, Please see our website, The Little Pink Chef, or follow us on Facebook. I hope all enjoy this lovely recipe.